No, that is.
That is
Okay, okay.
It takes time sometimes.
Okay. Now I have come over here. If pump is not working,
No, you put block, you can.
this one,
No, if it is blocked, no flow.
कर दिया. Standard block, yeah. Overflow. Overflow. I have considered.
This is high.
Yeah.
That's great one.
Okay, you want to put local? See, yeah. So we have LSH. Any other control you want? Yeah, level we have taken. We have taken.
What else? You can also stop the drainage coming from the holding tank. You can stop the drainage.
Gradient tanker both.
Yeah, drainage. I mean the sludge holding maybe.
SOP,
And tanker, yeah.
SOP,
But I mean,
control,
in automatic,
tanker.
you can stop the
Okay,
supercurrent.
okay. The moment you get high level here, the operator will come to know that. And this unloading is the manual operation. You will.
When this blockage is there,
No, go for next line.
What are the provisions for the cleaning is provided?
yeah, but doesn't, yeah.
Okay.
Then
Yeah,
you stop the tank
Tanker, yes, correct.
as well as all the return,
Yeah, correct.
and operator should.
No, but what about cleaning?
Imran, for cleaning maintenance, there is one guide word is there. I will consider in the guide word maintenance and cleaning.
What provision for cleaning?
We'll come there. We now no floor only. There is a maintenance guide word is there, and cleaning is there. So we'll consider there. So that is good one, right? I will not forget it. Yeah, I will not forget. Look, I will put it here.
Okay, there. I have
Okay.
to provide the provision for cleaning.